So you found out you need to change your car's cabin air filter, but you've also found out that you can save a ton of money by doing it yourself instead of paying for whatever the dealership's trying to charge you. Well, that's exactly where I'm at too. So today I'm going to show you step by step just how easy it is to change your cabin air filter by yourself. I'm going to be using this EcoGuard cabin air filter because it had a lot of really great reviews online. It's really affordable, and I saw some videos of car mechanics using it. I'm going to be showing you how to install this in a Hyundai Elantra, but this filter also works for a Hyundai Kona, Hyundai Veloster, Kia Forte, and Kia Soul. All right, let's get it. All right, so the first thing you want to do is remove everything from your glove box. After that, on the right side, you can see that there's a latch over here. You want to go ahead and remove it. After that, you'll notice that on the sides of your glove box, there's these two dials. You want to go ahead and do them by turning counterclockwise. Just like that, you're going to let the glove box come down. You can see that we can now access the cabin air filter. To take out the old filter, you'll see that there's these two plastic tabs on either side of this enclosure. All I have to do is give it a little pinch, pull outwards, and now we can access it. Of course, now all I have to do is take this guy out. Ooh. There's my old air filter. You can see it's powdered some leaves in it, and it's really dirty. And now we're just going to put our new filter in. I've got the EcoGuard air filter unboxed. A very important note, you want to make sure that when you put it in, the airflow arrows are facing down. And there we go, our new air filter is in, and now all you have to do is reverse all the steps I just showed you to close it back up. And that's literally all there is to it. Took me less than 10 minutes to do, probably will take you less than 2 without filming, and it'll save you loads of time and loads of money. And if you want to save yourself even more time from having to do product research on what's the most affordable yet high quality cabin air filter like I did, then just pick up the EcoGuard cabin air filter for yourself today, and you're going to be set.